Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tag. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with a very special unboxing. It's here guys, and shout out to my buddy James Devinarde here filming this video. Hi James.
Hello guys.
And we're here in Kwintong ready to film this incredible unboxing of a phone you've been waiting for, and here it is. It's none other than the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So here it is guys, the Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I picked up the 128 gigs of storage version, and all we need to do is pull this flap. Here we go. The whole thing comes off. That is very nice, super easy to do. Lifting the lid, here we go. And a new era of phones is here, a new generation Xiaomi, designed by Xiaomi. There it is. Oh my gosh, the Xiaomi 12 Pro in all its glory. There you see it in the beautiful blue color. I don't know the name of this blue, but it is a gorgeous blue indeed. Let's set that phone aside for a minute. Show you guys what's inside the box. We got the typical USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Put that back in. And we have the beastly 120 watt charger. That's right, this 12 Pro does support the fastest charging spec for Xiaomi. And here we go guys, this is the moment, tearing off the plastic. Oh yes, ooh, feel that crinkly goodness. Oh my gosh, and tearing off the sticker at the back. There it is in all its glory, the Xiaomi 12 Pro on Frankie Tag. And while we're turning on this phone, obviously we're gonna have to set this all up. But in the meantime, let's talk about this design. Incredible 8.2 millimeters thickness, and you have 205 grams, pretty similar weight to the other Xiaomi devices I've used, but look at this stunning blue back. It is frosty, and it's got this very nice texture to it. James, you wanna feel the back of this phone?
Ooh, that's nice.
That is nice. It's frosty, but there's almost like a little bit of a grain to it as well. You feel there's also a grain to the camera module, which I tell you guys, with Xiaomi phones, they always feel so much better in person, in the hand, than in renders. This has been done immaculately well. There's a nice chamfer here on the edge, and then you see the main 50 megapixel camera, and you have the two JN1 sensors, if I'm not mistaken. And now we flip to the sides, a nice touch. Xiaomi, oh yes, you went matte edges on this phone. And then you see, of course, you got USB-C, you got your SIM tray, your speakers, dual speakers, quad speakers I think could be on this device.
Quad speakers.
And we have Harman Kardon, tuned by Harman Kardon there, and an IR blaster for good measure. So there you go guys, MIUI 13 is nearly set up, and I'm gonna jump into this and then we're gonna have a look at this display in a minute. All right, so back now, fully set up on the Xiaomi 12 Pro, and let me tell you guys, this thing is a beast, but a beautiful one at that. We've talked about design, but let's talk about this 6.73 inch LTPO 120 hertz AMOLED display. It is stunning, folks, and it is better than the one on the Mi 11 Ultra. I can see it already with a great buttery smoothness. I do like the center punch hole as well, and they fixed the corners on the display. No complaints here. Performance, you know it, it's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This is the entry-level version, 8128 gigs of storage, but we have it up to 12,256. I can't wait to put this through my Antutu throttling test, but initial reports are that this chipset is doing much better than the AAA, which definitely overheated quite a bit. Stay tuned for that. And in terms of battery, of course, we have a 4,600 milliampere capacity, probably one of the weaker aspects of this phone. I wish they had gone to 5,000 milliampere, but you know what? Considering we do have LTPO, that may help with the battery life of this phone. Of course, all the latest comms, and obviously talking about charging, we have the 120 watt fastest spec charging, as I mentioned before, on this Xiaomi 12 Pro. And of course, cameras, we do have that IMX 707 and the JN1 sensors for the ultra wide and the telephoto 2x optical zoom. And we're gonna do it now, the classic Frankie Tech camera shot here with the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Stay tuned guys for my full camera test coming up, but just a few shots here in the distance. Let's go 2x. Let's go there. And let's kind of zoom in there to the distance. We can even see the details from the other side. So far, so good. You get up to 20 times zoom here on this, and the zoom looks very steady, to say the least. But there you can see, guys, this camera shutter is super fast. No lag whatsoever. And the results, let's have a look. Look really crisp going into the flowers there. Super detailed. I mean, this is a tough shot considering it's facing the sun and you're still getting all this detail in the greenery here. So that's it, guys, for this first look of the Xiaomi 12 Pro. I can't wait to test this one out, do my full camera test, throttling test, and stay tuned for the full review of this phone as well. But once again, shout out to you, James. Thank you for all your help filming this video. And hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Xiaomi 12 Pro? Are you picking one of these up for yourself? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Reggie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for future updates. And I leave you now with this beautiful shot. Let's have a look at it. Close up there of the Xiaomi 12 Pro in all its glory. Just stunning. Just stunning. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.
Wrist check?
Wrist check. It's the Black Bay 58, but this ain't a watch video. It's a Xiaomi video. Oh yeah.